All right, guys, welcome to the Monday Directions. If you are in 5th or 7th hour today, this is your assignment. It's just a reading guide, short Monday reading guide here on the Constitution. So far up to this point, we've looked at the Articles of Confederation. We looked at Shays' Rebellion, which basically forced people to scrap the Articles. We saw the creation of the Constitution, which led to the creation of the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists. Friday or Thursday, we looked at the Federalist Papers, one of those kind of informations that the Federalists use, maybe propaganda too, if you want to say that, to help convince people that the Constitution should be ratified or accepted. And then, so we're finally here. Let's take a look at the actual Constitution itself a little bit. We're still looking at it from like an outside, like a more wider lens, but we haven't deep dove into the Constitution itself. But so here is the reading guide. Basically, just going to be talking about some of the powers that get granted to the federal government, so stuff that gets sent to the state government. Some of the more, I would say, radical pieces of it, like impeachment, right? Some of the more hardcore or the biggest consequences. I don't know how to explain it really, but you got some of the basics of it: checks and balances, separation of powers, flexibility, drawbacks, and then once we get down here. Now, here's what's happening. A lot of people are not doing the identify section. Do the identify section. Okay? If you don't do it, you only get like half the points. So identify and explain the significance of the following. So basically, you're just using terms. So what's delegated powers? What's reserved powers? Concurrent powers? Supremacy clause? Separation of powers? Checks and balances? Impeachment, veto, override, elastic clause, and judicial review. These are just terms. So just give me a sentence on each one. Now, once you finish the identifying, then you can go down, then you answer question 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For number 4, you do not need to write an essay. Just write me a paragraph or, just explain these two. All of these should be like almost multiple sentences, multiple full sentences. Spelling and grammar counts. I cannot stress that enough. The answers I get and the amount of misspelled words, and there's blue lines under everything, there's red lines under everything. People are just too lazy to go fix it, so I'm not giving full points for that now. Okay? So do it correctly, do it right if you want to get all the points, or expect to get points knocked off. All right, so again, read through this, identify all the terms, just give me a quick sentence on each one, and then questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be full sentences, multiple sentences to get all the points. All right? We're going to take our quiz probably on maybe either Wednesday or Thursday this week. So either we're going to review tomorrow and take the quiz Wednesday, or we're going to do a smaller assignment tomorrow, and then we'll take the review on Wednesday, take the quiz Thursday. So either Wednesday or Thursday will be quiz day. You can use all your notes that you've taken on the quiz. But all right, talk to you guys later.